Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. Welcome to another episode of Learn UiPath in 5 minutes. Today we'll talk about how to make a very fast demo on UiPath. So basically what I will do, I will go here to Yahoo Finance. I will extract this data table, I will write the CSV file, and then I will send it to email. This is my personal email, and you see I don't have any emails from me. So let's see how we'll do this inside of UiPath Studio. So inside of UiPath Studio, I will go and create a new project. We'll say Yahoo email. But it's not, it's just extract data from Yahoo Finance. So to be able to create on this new project, we will do this stuff. We'll basically scrape the data from the screen. So be able to scrape the data from the screen. So I'll go to project. By default, he says a simple main. Then I will say scrape data from screen. Scraping data from screen allow you to extract very fast data from screen. So basically, I would say to the software that I want to take the data from here. The system detects that this is a table, yeah? So he asked me if I want to extract the table, and he extracts the table for me. I will say finish, and then the system will ask me if I have a next button to indicate if I have a table with multiple pages. In this case, I don't have a table with multiple pages, so I will say that I don't want to indicate the next button. So he extracts the data. After he extracts the data, I want to write the file, yeah? So to be able to write very fast a file, I will use the CSV format. I will drag and drop here the format, and here I will put the file. So I will say test CSV. Yeah, that will be the name of the file. For the table, I will have extract data table. So automatically, when this one is extracting the data, he creates this variable extract data table. So I will use this variable and put this variable here. Then I want to send an email. To be able to send an email, I will use the Outlook. So on the Outlook, I will use send email. Yeah. So on the send email, I will send an email to me. So it will be cinegulescu@gmail.com. Yeah. Then on the subject, I will put test YouTube blah blah. Yeah. And here you have a file. You have a file from Yahoo. Yeah. And here I attach the file. Yes, so I will go here and say test CSV. Okay, let's run this. So the robot can go on the background, extract the data from the web page, write the CSV file, and then send it to my email. Let's see if my email goes so fast. So take a look. I receive an email. I receive an email from Cinegulescu from Cristian Negulescu from Outlook. Yeah, and here I have my file, and you can see inside of my file that I have the right data. Yeah. So let's check the data. So I have here ETH Ethereum. It's plus 96.1, and ETH here it's plus 96.1. Yeah. So basically, all the data was extracted from the web page, writing the file and sending to the email. Let's understand a little the trick. So this extraction you see very fast. Then you write the CSV without applying to a stamp. It's much easier to write the CSV than writing to Excel to indicate the file, create a file, and so on. And here on the send Outlook, basically the system communicate to my Outlook, take all the configuration from Outlook, and with the configuration from Outlook, he already send the data to my email. Yeah, so that was very, very fast. So you see that in this way, you are able to create a very fast presentation for your UiPath system and the power of UiPath system. I have here multiple videos on how to make fast demos on UiPath. So you can follow me for these videos, or I have a full demo with 1 hour with all the capability of UiPath. Look, I have here a full demo. So as usual, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, comment on my videos, and tell me what else you want to see on my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.